the ultimate tofu upgrade. Start in your air fryer. Japanese air fryer Agedashi Tofu. Five grams of green onions, finely chopped. 250 grams of tofu. Cut into cubes as shown in the video. Place on paper towel to drain. One tablespoon of flour. 1 tablespoon of potato starch. Mix the flour and potato starch well until uniform. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Coat the drained tofu with oil. Coat the tofu with the flour and potato starch mixture. Slightly spray or brush cooking oil onto the bottom of the air fryer basket. Arrange the flour-coated tofu. Air fry at 200 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. $100 of daikon. Grate the daikon. $140 ml of water. A dash of dashi powder. 1 tablespoon and half teaspoon of mirin. 2 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Medium heat. Mix well and bring to a boil. You can also brown them a little more if you like. Once the tofu is browned, arrange it in a bowl. Pour the warm sauce over it. Top the Agedashi Tofu with grated daikon. A dash of ginger paste. Sprinkle with desired amount of chopped green onions. 今日の料理はエアフライヤーで作る揚げ出し豆腐でした。Enjoy!